Christ, I'm still here. I'm still here. Can you see me? Please see me. I hate that when people start indicating when you've not even passed them yet. I do it. I'm a culprit for that. I'm going to moan about it anyway because I'm British. I am actually on my way to the Built Not Bought meet up in Willowfields up north. I say up north. It's probably not up north for those that live up there, but for me who is... Sorry, I'm trying to concentrate because I'm convoying with Mevi and he's in the left lane and I'm in the second lane. I'm trying to overtake this car and you don't care. Why am I even telling you? You don't care. Shut up, Kirsty. I've had a morning. I don't know what's wrong with me. Really struggling in the mornings lately with my depression and anxiety. I wake up in the morning and not gonna lie, I'm pretty fucking miserable. Kind of finding life a bit tough. I'm okay. By the time the afternoon comes along, I start to perk up and feel a little bit more in control of my life. But in the mornings, I really struggle actually. So it's been a rough morning. But I'm starting to feel a bit better now. Really looking forward to catching up with my friends. In particular, I'm looking forward to seeing Jen. So you'll know Jen. Everybody knows Jen. Dildo Jen. I haven't seen her in months. Not since last year. I saw her before Christmas. I'm really looking forward to seeing her. She's just the highlight of my life. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. I threw my hands in the air to say show me something. God, she's beautiful. Look at me. She said if you dare come a little closer. Great weekend for it.
Yeah, dying, yeah.
Yeah, so we have arrived finally 3 hours later. Mevi has just put up the awning for me and it actually has gone up okay.
Yeah.
Actually not too bad, but it's definitely a two-man job. I can't do that on my own. I'm 5'2" and I can't reach the bit to undo it up there, so it's a two-man job. So if I'm on my own going solo, I'm going to have to go and find a man, I'm ashamed to say. To show us a little sneak peek of your van.
I'd love to. Now, luckily, I've hidden all the weird porn.
That's really good. That's great because nobody needs to see
weird porn. That I get like people to see.
No.
All right. Okay, so I'm going to take my shoes off because I still have no flooring. I have a floor, but no flooring. Yeah. Here's the screen.
With the porn.
For the porn, but I don't use it. I don't use the screen, so that'll probably come off. This has been on and off the walls for as long as I've had the van. Curtain. I have a curtain. This is an in-depth tour. But this is my guest cupboard. And that won't be in there. I just put that in there because I have nowhere else. But that's snacks and drinks and booze. But this is your cupboard. This will be your cupboard. Don't think that because there's a bin on the outside that's any kind of comment on you and I, because this is probably not the final resting place for the bin. But anyway, there's your cupboard. In here,
Could be for the final resting place for you. You carry on.
work clothes. Work clothes.
Mevi,
Yeah.
we want to see what you've built, not what you wear.
What? But this is important to me. I spent an entire evening organising, and this is the rest of my clothes. So this is my date night clothes.
They're really neat,
actually.
actually. Look at you folding all your jeans up like a good boy.
Why do you think I want to show the world my
look
folded
at my
clothes?
organisation.
Because I spent a lot of time doing that. This is all IKEA cupboards, except for the worktop, which is just made from wood. My memories thing, which is mostly you and I. It would
What is
seem...
that? Is that a red bow at the top corner there? Why didn't you tell us about that, Mevi?
What's that?
There.
Well, there was...
Anyway, the bed.
The bed. Okay, so it's not finished, and this isn't in its final state, but this is a sofa and also storage. So this opens up, and this opens up. but this is a short one, and I'll show you the reason why that's short and this one's big, full-sized, is because my bed, which is currently in single bed mode, date night, which is why I see the foreshadowing. We're talking about date night clothes. So this pulls out into a double. It will pull out better than that because at the moment all the mattresses are causing it to jam. So yeah, that is now a double bed, and this mattress will be in 3 sections, coincidentally the same size as a cot mattress, which is 60 by 120. So 3 cot size mattresses, bosh bosh bosh, and when it slides up into I won't use it as a single because I'm too tall, one of those sections will be here, and this will be a sofa for lounging, and that's it. Like, comment and subscribe. I go to the Mevi channel, and at some point in the future,
and wait a couple of months and you might get a video.
Wait a couple of months, you might see a video of me just being really dull and talking about my problems in the van.
I'm on my 2nd vodka. We've been here, how long have we been here now actually? About 6 hours. We went around Mandy and John's for a bit, and we watched people get stuck in the field. That was fun.
Yeah, people getting towed onto the field.
And then, what else have we done since then? We have drank alcohol.
Yeah. Oh, we hang out with Dildo Jen.
Oh, we hang out with Jen, that was lovely.
Alex Frood is here.
He is.
He got towed onto the field.
Alex, if you haven't seen Alex's stuff, so Alex Frood, he basically went somewhere where it was white and cold, and he does that a lot.
You mean the Arctic Circle?
The Arctic Circle,
yeah.
Yes.
So he's done some extreme stuff, and here he is getting towed.
Gets stuck in a field in the UK. Somewhere near
Doncaster.
Shall we go to the bar?
Oh!
How you doing?
Hey, how you
going? Right?
You're right. Oh.
And if you want to know what that's all about, go to Mevi's channel and watch. What video is it?
The mating ritual.
The mating ritual.
Yeah.
Mevi is doing his bit for the community. And you, my love?
Yes.
I've got myself a baby. She's not mine. This is Jane's little baby. She's a baby of Emma and Neil's baby. Isn't she glorious?
Oh.
This is me. And we've got Cat Zero, Mevi. We've got Cooper.
My old band.
We've got this lovely lady. Woo! Karen. Rux. Our Time Van Life again. We've got Tash. We've got Lisa. We've got Em and Lou. We've got Liam and Dee. Oh, we've got our loves. Nick and Jen. Oh, we've got Bailey's. We've got Jane. Where's Jane? Love me. Do you love me? Do you love me?
Is that where you've been?
Maybe. I physically can't find them.
Oh, I can't help you there.
Okay, how about you slam the door?
I'm just gonna reach through into the cab and press the button, and then maybe sober us will figure
Find
that
the
out.
keys in the morning.
You'll never find do something do.
Spinning. Go on, Mevi. Is this where you live now?